At Eton Machine Company, it all starts with customer service and quality materials. Whether you need a quick-turn prototype or high-volume production, or products made from standard metals or exotics, we've got you covered. We CNC machine, turn, and mill parts with extremely tight tolerances. Our ISO 9001 certified machine shop is ready for any job, no matter how complex. We'll handle all your high-precision machining needs. Contact Eton Machine Company today.